How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about personal injury protection coverage, also commonly referred to as PIP coverage, as it is one of the most important parts of your auto insurance policy here in the state of Michigan. This is because it provides medical coverage if you or one of your family members is injured in an auto accident, no matter who is at fault. And unlike other states, in Michigan, your PIP coverage is responsible for paying your medical expenses after accident-related injuries, not your health insurance. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass along with anyone else as well. Now, before Michigan's auto insurance reform law in 2019, every auto policy in the state automatically included unlimited PIP coverage. That meant there was no limit on medical expenses, long-term care, or rehab services if you were seriously injured in an auto accident. But after the reform, drivers can now choose levels of PIP coverage or even opt out entirely. But here is why unlimited is still going to be the best coverage selection for PIP. And it's because if you or a family member are involved in a serious auto accident, the medical expenses from that incident can be life-changing. And unlimited means exactly that. There is no cap on what is covered. Lower coverage limit options might seem like a good way to save money up front, but they could potentially leave you with massive medical bills down the line. Now, does PIP cover family members? The short answer is yes, but there is an important detail, and that is in nearly every auto insurance policy in Michigan, you will see the term resident relative. This means that PIP covers your spouse, your children, or other family members that are living in your household. So if a family member does not live with you, they would not be eligible for benefits under your policy. Another important point with all of this is to make sure that all eligible licensed drivers that are in your household are listed on the policy. This can help prevent any potential gaps in coverage if they are driving and get into an accident. Now, a common question that I'll hear is that I have a qualified health insurance plan. Can I just coordinate my PIP coverage with that plan to save a little bit of money? Shouldn't I just do that? And some people do choose this option. And while this can lower your auto insurance premium, it does come with certain risks as well. Because even with a coordinated health insurance plan, you can run into potential gaps in coverage. There are certain benefits that a health insurance plan will typically not cover. Things like in-home care, long-term rehab, or things like if anything in your home or vehicle needs to be modified because of your injuries. These are benefits that would be included if you have unlimited PIP. And plus, if you ever lose or change jobs and your health insurance plan changes as well, you could be in a situation where you are left without the proper coverage if you're in an accident. So this is one of the other reasons why I always just recommend keeping unlimited PIP coverage to avoid any of these potential scenarios. Another thing to keep in mind is how PIP benefits are prioritized when there are multiple policies, multiple parties involved. If you or a resident relative are injured in an accident in somebody else's car, they would still be covered under your auto insurance policy through your PIP coverage. However, depending on the situation, the driver and the vehicle that they are in, and depending on their policy, their level of PIP coverage, there is a specific order in which benefits would apply. So it can vary from one situation and one scenario to another, so it is important to work with the agent, the insurance company, and understand how exactly your benefits would apply to that situation. So if you are reviewing your current auto insurance policy or looking to potentially make different PIP coverage selections, make sure that you do thoroughly think it through, because the savings for less coverage are probably not worth the risk. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your auto insurance or any insurance in general here in Michigan, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.